Hi, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. My name is Hassan, and we are live. What's going on, man? Come on in. Hit that like button for me, please, on your way in. Subscribe if you haven't. Streaming live every market open. And today's looking all right, I guess. I mean, in the low float world, for me, all I got is XAGE. Wave Rider, what's up, bro? Kappa is obviously in play, but I mean, it closed below 75 cents yesterday. I'm just like, bro, it's gonna halt like so much. But it's like, how can you not watch it, bro? It's gonna be ridiculous. I do kind of want to see it, but uh, let's see. Just look at that for fun. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I am kind of side-eyeing AMD and Nvidia. Can't hold you. The yes, sir. Um, some kind of tariff news where they're going to be allowed to make chips for China or something like that. So they're gapping up. I'm gonna check out the ETFs and just kind of see what happens. I feel like a lot of times large caps just make the move right at the open. At least the last few times I've watched them. But I don't know, maybe they'll start a little trend and I don't know. But yeah, pretty much all I got going is XAGE. And I guess we'll watch Kappa for fun. But I mean, I'm not gonna trade a halt chart. The chart's just like every candle is a halt. I'm not gonna trade that. But yeah, so I mean the daily on it on XKGE, it's not really that great either, honestly. But we're doing so much volume today and we're over this day, so that's a pretty good amount of volume below. I think we can push through this day, which my crosshairs. Man, up to 930, huh? 504 to 930. So I think we could push up to 930 with this kind of volume. Hey, what's up, Nova? Same to you, good sir. Same to you, man. Let's get it. Let's get it and protect it. But yeah, we could possibly see a squeeze up to 930 and then, see what's going on over here. I think what was this, like a prostate cancer catalyst? Check that again. No, it's not. That was something else. Merger with THP Plasma and termination of 2010 Biolabs transaction. Some pretty good projected growth here over here. Okay, I mean, the people are excited. 40 million shares traded pre-market. Yo, trend line Trey, what's good, bro? What is good? Would you settle up on, Trey? Pretty much just XAGE, or you gonna watch Kappa? I mean, I got Kappa up, but I'm just not. Oh, you said grow. So, I don't like it when they just do this poorly after the run up in pre-market. Like, looks like it's over. Mm. This one's gonna be a halt fest too, ain't it? Oh, okay. No, it's not that bad. Closed at 145. Yeah, this thing probably gonna need to come back down to like 556 or something. What up, OG? 4 minutes. All right. Yesterday I ended up trading that stupid low volume stock after I had my win, and I was really upset about that. Um, what up, OG? Yeah, man, I made it. Yeah, you're right, bro. All discipline from here on. No, no foolery. um, but yeah, as soon as I see a low volume something, I'm just gonna take it off my charts. That's been I feel like that's been a problem for like years of liking those low volume, things that are barely moving. I guess I don't know. They look calm. I guess I don't know what attracts me to them, but I'm done with them, bro. I'm done with them. Hopefully. Oh, up here, yeah, it's lots of tails for sure. Lots of volume. Yeah, kind of like to see that thing stay over 6. Become one of the sellers. Hey, yep, straight like that. Flip the game on them. Yo, what up? Focus on me. Good morning. Hey guys, don't forget to tap that like button for me on your way in. Make yourself at home. We got 2 minutes till the bell. And let's refresherize my rules. Where's my little, there we go. Reacquaint myself. How do I do that? Hmm. That's annoying. Bad day right now. Ah, man, bro. Man, this whole thing is just your ability to follow your plan, man. And in the midst of the days where you get bad results from it and get good results from it, it just that's really the secret, man. It's like that with everything in life, honestly, but it's just the consistency. And that's been my struggle. It's just I have these little bursts where I'm just locked in and that timed with great opportunities in the market, and I'm able to do amazing things. But as soon as my mindset shifts and I feel like I can loosen up the reins, It's like you start to feel like it's you and not the system, and you don't need the system as much because you got it. But that's just not the case. Yeah, that's the thing I saw too on that daily, man. All these gaps are red. None of these days ended well. I mean, and actually, they literally opened and dropped. So we got a nice open here, though. 15 looks good, especially back over 7. We would be back in uptrend, I would say, back over 7. Man, I'm telling you, I would really be wanting to buy this 15 sometimes, but that opening candle is so diabolical. Just to get in at the open just seems so wild. Yeah, because of stuff like this. Hey, what's up, Red? CYCC. Glanced at that this morning. Thought the daily was unattractive. No news. I know this thing just gonna run off on the plug on the first candle. It's just pointless. Pointless. A little 3 day squeeze. You still been looking at those trades? Yeah, pre-market is pretty lit for you scalp guys for sure. Hey Santa, what's good, man? Lacking like how, Trey? What's up, Santa? You still be trading Tesla? Is that still the main bag? Main bay? Yeah, man. Got to the 1K. I got there like a couple days ago, man, and then dropped back down. Like, I don't know. Maybe people don't like when you celebrate stuff like that. I don't know. But I got up to like 105 the other day and then dropped down to like 993 the same day. And I was like, dang, what happened? But, it's all good. I'm really just enjoying you guys, the guys who show up every day and we be hanging out. I'm like, I'm pretty content. But, of course, we want to grow and have more success for the community and bring even more people in. Uh, yeah, I don't know, bro. It just be like that sometimes. It might be real now because YouTube actually congratulated me too. They didn't congratulate me the first time I crossed 1,000. They noticed I didn't sell. Yeah. What y'all think about Nvidia and AMD today though? Yeah, XAGE is back, boy. Look at this 15-minute. Bro, I'm telling you, one day I'm gonna take the 15 off the open. One day. Hmm. All right, there's Billy's first interaction of the day. See how he plays out. Kappa selling off. No halt yet though. Oh yeah, there's the halt. Yeah, it's way up there now. Dang, Billy about to go to the bank. Maybe. Maybe not. Billy over there sweat. What up, Rob? Yeah, that's a big epic candle right there, man. What was your entry? 650s? Yeah. Wow. It was running. And video with the reset. Reset. $4.98. Man. What's your best sell? That is the question. Ooh, Billy hurting now. Billy's hurting now. Now we're gonna have this big old ugly 15-minute candle. 701. Nice, man. Killer. Yeah, that's ridiculous. Easy 3K, huh? XAG. What up, T-Lo? Joe Big. Yeesh. What up, Pharaoh? Dang, man, where you been at, bruh? SOXL looking real nice, T-Lo. I'm gonna just wait for it to shake out. Oh, for real? That's what's up, man. That's what's up. Yeah, I'm gonna let it shake out, man. I don't want to get involved in these big wide range sweeping moves. You know, I want to wait for it to calm down, print a couple narrow range candles, and kind of show some direction for me. What are you gonna do with CYCC, bro? It's gone. It has left. 8 days ago. You ain't got nothing coming. Ain't got nothing coming. Kappa down to the EMA. Yeah, trade that thing. Word is bond. Hey, look at that thing popping back. The train has left the station. Thank you for that disclaimer there, Red. Took a quick loss. If he rap springs. Yeah, this is like, yeah, it looks really violent right now. Kappa's back open. Yeah. Still been doing good on the NQ though, Leon. By reading the tape. Is that something you just start doing one day? It's not something you need hours and hours of experience reading and practicing and all that. Just start reading the tape. Yeah, completely. Uh, very cute. Yeah, I look at it all the time, bro. All the time. Ain't hanging out at 7, ain't it? There she goes. Wow. What a squeeze. You called it, Pharaoh. Did you buy the pullback? Nice. Time to short it. Really? Yeah, that's tough, Leon. Because, man, what an entry that was. Ah, dang, bro. Dang, bro. I know that feeling, bro. I know that feeling. Gotta cut the losers, man. Yeah. I'm surprised you ain't just hop back in that joint. Being in a halt down is like one of the worst things ever, especially like from your entry. Like I think most of the halts I've been in down to the downside were after I took profit. But like to get in something and then it just drops. Oh, your full position, man. Oh my god. Yeah. Nice looking situation right here, huh? Huh? uh, dang, bro. That looks like a nice little buy setup on the one right there. Till it didn't. Straight like that. Why do I look at the 1 minute? Um, I have the most experience watching price action on the 1 minute chart, and it's more information. It's it tells the story of how the 5 minute chart got to where it's at. You get to see inside the 5 minute candles and see what's going on. Also, once I'm in a position, the 1 minute is really helpful in selling. I know you think I don't sell, but like, those times where I actually sell the tops of the candles over and over, like I'm watching volume coming in on the 1 and the 5, and it's just kind of like a smorgasbord of information that I am sometimes able to execute on really nicely. Well, I just kind of, if my entry is good, which usually on my losing trades my entry is not good, but when my entry is good, I usually get a trend out of it. And so you guys want to sell like the first candle up because you're scalpers, but I'm in on the trend. Like I'm looking at the moves on the 15 and the 5. So if when I'm right, I could be in an uptrend for the next 30 minutes, So selling after 5 minutes is just like, it's not in my best interest. But when I'm wrong and it doesn't trend and I do get a little pop and I get an opportunity to take some profit, you guys are like, well, why aren't you selling? But it's like, that's not the move I'm here for. I'm here for the bigger move. But I'm trying to find a happy middle ground to where I can sell some of those little pops and maybe turn some of my bad trades or mid trades into, break even or small winners. But like, ideally I'm here for a big move. Come on, man, this thing got to cool off at some point. I guess it's still pretty early. Just don't want the whole squeeze to go now while I'm not in it, of course. Yeah, it's so whippy right now. But these candles might actually look pretty chill after another hour. Like, man, why didn't I get that? Why didn't I take that right there? It barely went past pre-market high, yeah. But if I'm trying to enter at the EMA, it's way up there for me. Over PM high, I do not buy. I actually like PM high as support a lot. Like if this 5 minute candle holds that pre-market high, it's like very tempting, but it's just the entry is so terrible that I wouldn't take it. But I just like it when they break over and hold pre-market high. That's definitely like a setup. Yeah, for sure, Leon. But I don't like this candle to enter on, so I'll be waiting. Yeah, you sure did, Pharaoh. Did you buy that pullback down here? That was money. That was money. Nah, yeah, yeah. If it's way past, but I definitely like using it as support. Did I just disappear my chart? Disappeared my chart. Alrighty then. Um, One thing I miss about Sterling, adding chart windows was way easier. You just had little buttons and you could just click it and a new chart window will pop up instead of having to go through a menu and then load your defaults and all of that stuff. Uh, oh, you don't day trade? I didn't know that, Pharaoh. You swing trading now these days? Always been a swinger, huh? All right. Pineapple person. What does that mean? For real? Wow. I this is very new knowledge to me, man. What up, Micro Don? Wow, it looks great. Not the daily, but intraday is off the charts. Upside down pineapple meaning. Traditionally, it's a symbol used by couples interested in swinging. More broadly, it's also used as a symbol of hospitality. That's wild, bro. That's wild. What up, Pond? Hey, I gotta be careful now, huh? Dang, does that mean I can't talk about FE anymore? uh, okay, I like it back down to the EMA, that's for sure. Oh, well, at least I didn't Google it up on on the screen. I made sure not to do that. No more ads. What's up, Knives? Is it? Let's see if it works. It's going well, man. It's going well. Um, yeah, chilling, tiptoeing the edge as usual. Nah, I got already. Yeah, it just protects the people who might sit at your computer and see need that VPN and all that good stuff. Yeah, I appreciate it, Knives. The patience is there for the most part. I definitely the 11 o'clock cutoff time it's gotta be in place, man. The mental fatigue is real. The mental fatigue is real, and also I feel like there's less accountability when I trade off stream. Like it doesn't feel as official. Like I'm so used to trading with you guys that when I trade off stream, it's not the same. You know, like I don't have the same self accountability. Feels like, yeah. So the 11 o'clock cutoff time, statistically from my journal, is what I need to do. So I got an alarm today. Like as soon as the alarm goes off, like we got to say our goodbyes, man. And I got to close the platform, and I got to go straight to the gym, man. I need the break. I can't sit here and watch. You know, I like to do my review video right after to make sure it gets done, but it's more important that I leave my computer and don't trade. Yeah, watch to see my emotional swings. Yeah, you seem to enjoy pointing that out the most. uh, I'll have to watch. I still haven't watched like a full trading session back from myself. I skimmed through, but to sit and watch and like, I'll have to check that out, bro. Yeah, for sure, Knives. It's a big thing, man. It's a big thing trading after my stream. And then like, don't let me have a good trade, and then tomorrow I'll be like, oh yeah, man, trading after the stream is fine, and then it's over. It's over. Yeah. Wolf. Man, way up there, dog. Hey, he looks great on the daily too, man. That's not bad. Nice little extension over yesterday's high. Pretty solid there. Nice. Yeah, you was right, Trey. Dirk in there like swimwear. Yo, what up, Paul? Yeah. Pre-market's scary to me, man. That's why I like having the pre-market data and then seeing what holds up at the open. Cause man, I remember back when I first started, I used to be in this trading group where they sent you alerts via Telegram, and you just be sitting here with your Telegram open, waiting for an alert, And then by the time you get the alert and pull it up, it's already like three nasty candles to the upside, like big freaking parabolic candles. And then the guy sending the alert is like, I'm in at such and such. And by the time you buy that thing, he's already sold 90% of his shares. I can't, I don't, I can't remember any good trades off of those signals, man. Yeah, I kind of wanted X. I kind of wanted to come down here and test six. Yeah, I mean, honestly, back if I were to take those signals now, I mean, I didn't know anything about price action back then. I to even I wish I had some recordings of then, like trading in March of 2020, bro. Like, what was I even looking for? Like, literally looking for specific patterns that I saw on a piece of paper. Like, oh, there's one. Like, no kind of context for where it's at in the daily or in the, intraday chart. Just buying. Yeah, those groups are trash. So predatory. This dude had how many people? I think he had 20,000 people in his was it 20? Maybe that's the money I calculated. I don't know. It was a lot of people in his Telegram group, and he was charging $20 a month. And I remember doing the math, and I was like, wow, this guy is making way more money on us than he could ever even care about making from the market. Yeah, I know, right? No, I didn't take a large firm course. I took all my courses have been pretty much YouTube courses and books. I did join 12-15 day trading for a while, and that was probably my best experience trading, man. That really kind of got me out of the bumping around in the dark phase to starting to actually build a strategy around my personality and the things that I was able to see in the market at that time. And really my first concept of support and resistance, like I got like a really good grasp of it from 12-15 day trading. Yeah. We still don't have news on CYCC. Like, what is this, bro? What am I supposed to do with this chart? It's looking nice though. Over six looks great. Yeah, bro. Yeah, nah, bro. This is not it. It's just one of them randos. Yeah. Uh, Stop watching, bruh. This is about to set up. Came down to six just like I wanted to. The 15 is back to the EMA. It's about to be lit. Just cut out the free falling triangles, bro. That triangle you sent me yesterday, bro, looked like an ice pick. Like, it looked like a stalactite. Or is this stalagmite? I don't know. I can't remember. Bro, it was mad. It was like, where's my epic pen, bro? Uh-oh. Epic pen's toast. Hmm. More trades is not good, huh, Leon? Yep. I get in that mode where I feel like I gotta take more trades, but it's really just being more patient for the best ones. More A plus trades and less of all the other crap, man. Cause like yesterday, I had a really great trade, and then I had like two just like garbage. Ended up closing red because of that. You know? Dang, bro. Man, this thing is so slippery, man. So slippery. Like the margin of error, you can tweak one thing. You doubled your maximum trade count. Yeah, bro. Mm. When I really, really locked in May, I was one trade a day mentality. Yo, what up, Jack? Really? Well, welcome, sir. What you trading today, Jack? CRML. Hmm. Trending very nicely. Daily looks great. Except for this La Resistance. Yeah, that's cold-blooded, Leon. Molasses. Yeah. Yeah, see these little bitty. Well, I mean, God, hold on. It actually looks pretty clean. Pretty clean, but not for me. It's pretty righteous. What's the float on this? This daily doesn't look like a one of those regular floats. NNE. Is this a low float? I do remember trading NNE sometime recently. Maybe this day. I don't know. I'm just checking out what everybody else is trading. 21 million. Yeah, that makes sense. It didn't look like a teeny float stock. But yeah, man, we got the EMA reset over here. Yeah, yeah, CRML, 21 million float. Was that what I was looking at? Yeah. Oh, CYCC. Wow. Bro, like this is not my type. Like, where am I gonna enter here? Like, where am I gonna put my stop? I don't have a plan for this type of stop. Yeah, it's gone, bro. It's gone. SNX. Yeah, you over there lonely, huh? SNX. Hey, the reversal could be epic. It could be, but it looks really bad. Has only one trader. It's focus on me. uh, yeah, I like this 15 though. That 15 is nice. Um, 689. Yeah, it's looking like that to me too, Red. What you want me to do, Rob? Just slap an order in when you say buy? That's what you want me to do? Yo, AMD looking saucy. That pre-market high right there. I mean, this is like screaming, just buy me, bro. Just buy me right quick. Yes, yes, and yes. Oh, you in there, Trey? Okay. All right. Hmm. I know, bro. Yeah, that was good times, man. We gotta find that stock that we both align with. What, XAGE? Bruh, how is this to play? Man, I want AMDL though. Hmm. Open is 649. You saying you jumped in before the trigger, Trey? 658. Uh, got in before the trigger. I hate it when that happens. CRML. What was that again? Yeah, I mean, I would have had to jump in this right here, which would have been valid. Would have been valid. You think it's going below 6? He did call the short though, Rob. Or was that might have been on the first candle actually. I don't know. Yeah, I know that's what you really want to see is like the actual trigger print. Like, please. You out? What it drop? What was that again? CYCC? Dang. Oh man, Rob, you about to miss the 10, bro. Dang. Ah, Proc, Proc still in play. Daily's treacherous. What? Had to get out then, huh? Well, look at that 15, bro. 15's triggered. Honestly, you just buy the first pullback on the 5 and be good to go. Good to go. Mm-mm-mm. NNE. Let's check out NNE right quick. Ooh. Mm. Mm. It's not much volume on this pullback. That's the only thing that makes me think it's not. I mean, it's a big candle, but it's just really not that much volume. But there really wasn't much volume to begin with either. You know, this thing's kind of dead. These are the ones I've been really trying to stay away from. The ones just like trading like 10,000 shares, 5,000 shares a candle by yourself over there, bro. Um, yeah, I mean, it don't look terrible, but without the volume, it's hard to, you know. But yeah, the pullback looks light compared to the move up. But you know, it's just I don't know. I ain't got nothing to advise on that one. You still in CYCC or you jump back in? 20%? Oh, okay. Yeah, you good, man. Well done, sir. Dang, broke 6. You called it, Paul. Yeah, what's up, Tristan? Yeah, this is my limit. Oh gosh. I be not meaning to do that. That's my platform max loss. Yeah, no problem, man. Thanks for asking. All right. Well, you know, I still see some possibilities in Nvidia and AMD possibly. I don't think XAGE is that far out of play, honestly. I think it's just coming down to test the EMA on the 15, which I don't have a problem with at all. And I was expecting a test back down to 6. So now we just wait, see what happens. CYCC. Still on that, huh? Wow. Yep, got that $10 real easy. Man, straight to the top. Video. Drag that down right there. Room 12. Man, that looks like a buy right there. Must be patient. Three-month on CYC. What makes you say 12 though? I don't see any like tops or bottoms at 12. Starting to buy some shorts in CYCC. How much are locates? Let's see if I remember how to do this. I never trade short, so short locate. No shares available to locate. Did I do that right? Or do I do this one? Yeah, I got none. Hard to borrow SSR. $11.24. Yeah. I know, right? Mm, good way to get your face ripped off, huh, Tristan? Account destruction. Man, I like this 15, but I just don't think I can really justify it. Is this a reset or a retest? What's the float? I don't know. Oh yeah? What kind of software? Oh yeah? Send me an email, bro. I'll check it out. Still waiting for Rob to answer my email. I kind of want to take this. The 15 is screaming at me, but it's hella downtrending on the 5 right now until it's not. But yeah, can't do that. You out? All right, OG. Appreciate you hanging out. I might be right behind you, bro. Dum 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 dum. Yeah, I got you, Rob. Um, that right there. So there's no confusion. We got here no real highs, just trickling back on the 15. Nice EMA reset here. 1026. We got a little time left. Oink. EPH in 4 minutes. Man, 1124. Opening bid of 1150. It's looking pretty good over there. $20 seconds left. Let's see what happens. Might get that 12 pop. Yeah. Dang. 1232, 44, 60, 70. Good Lord. 80. Oh my God. Oh my God. Jeez. Did you short this, Red? Short locates anyone? Jeez. Yeah. I know, right? Just so I can say I was there, focus. Let me get one of them. All right, we got a nice looking situation over here on NVIDIA. Feel like it's been uptrending for a long time already, though. AMD's going nowhere. Yeah, look at the volume now on XAGE. It's doing that nasty thing again. No, I guess it is still pretty. No, never mind. It's just relatively low, but it's still throwing. It's getting light. It's getting light. It needs some volume to come back in for sure. It's still doing like 100K a candle though, so it's actually cool. You sold nothing? What do you mean? You didn't sell nothing into this halt, bro, and you wanted 12. I mean, you done already sold a bunch anyway, right? Bruh, everybody who sold CYCC is sold too early. Everyone. Man, this entry is very curious to me, but I just can't, bro. I can't violate the laws anymore, bro. It just never works out. Run that traffic stop. I sure want to, man. The 15 was telling me, bro. It held pre-market high so well. But I just realized that my entire edge is when I can wait for my setup. Even when I step outside of it and win, it just makes it that much harder for me to be consistent on it. Yep. I'm on an M3 through parallels. Is this parallel? Yeah, I think it is parallel. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yep. Sure am. I love it. M3 Max, 36 gigabytes. Yeah, and I'm running 3 monitors off of it too, bro. And with the MacBook open. So 4 screens, Windows. It does really well. This is like my third MacBook. Third? Yeah. Yeah, Parallels is a really good system. It runs really smooth. Nah, I didn't see that HH. 500 what? Is that a new currency? What screen share? Like the software? To like record all this, I use OBS. All right, Red, let me see. 5 mil. Like, man, $5 million. If I'm on the highway and the speed limit is 50, but all the traffic is going 70 without cops in sight, are you going to intentionally just stop on the highway, or are you going to go with the flow? It's definitely safer to go with the flow, for sure. Yeah, CYCC at this point, it's definitely for the people who bought in earlier. Like these are all the gamblers up here. Balls of steel. I bet you ain't mad at yourself for not selling now, Rob. Ah, for real. Ah, I mean, bro, like it's definitely looking like 20 at this point, man. Dang, bro. Almost certain. All right, focus on me. Appreciate you. Hey guys, hit the like button for me, please. Subscribe if you haven't. Come hang out with us, man. Dang, you were in at 6. You was like, I got my lunch money. I've got my lunch money. I'm out. I'm eating steak today. And then you see that Roof's Chris money start flying up. Hey, I mean, any other day you ate a whole lot of the move, but you got some crumbs today, bruh. That is another option there, Red. Just buy more. Man, I want to buy this so bad. Buy substantially more. Yeah. Ever since I read that book, Best Loser Wins, I was already into adding before I read that book, but once I read that book, I was like, oh yeah, bro, I'm adding for life. Yeah, ain't no way I'm touching CYCC. Oh, for sure they blew up. For sure they blew up. And it's not just that it's squeezing, it's halting. It's halting up. I might never get to see AMD or Nvidia again. What are y'all doing? Where's the pullback? All right, got a little volume pop on XAGE. Might be that time. Yeah. And I really was just watching to see if I saw some like a really clean textbook set up for me. Cause I haven't messed around with these large floats this big in a long time. Yeah, I know, Rob. But it's right now I'm not so much working on strategy. Like every day I'm sitting down to try and trade my strategy perfectly. Like just literally just trying to follow my rules every day. That's once I can do that, the sky's the limit, but that's what's holding me back. And remove it from my list. Bro, it's still kicking out some decent volume. I'm not gonna buy it now, but I'm saying if it starts an uptrend, I will jump on. That's a little nastier of a rejection. I was looking for that kind of rejection. All right, got a little higher high right there. Nah. Wow, 1650. Dang. I know, right? Might as well. Cap around in the corner after testing the EMA on the 15. Put a little. Oh, is this what takes away my crosshairs? Ah, learned something new today. This is way too cheap. Final halt, maybe one more. It's quite ridiculous. Four minutes to find out. Pew pew. Yeah, it came back for you. Nice. I see you over there, T-Lo. I see you. getting that look I wanted. This is just kind of scary. But it did break the high. It's looking climactic. Third red candle, third green candle up on the 15 too. Not really ideal. But it's kind of a special day. Yeah. I know, man. It's not looking like it's gonna be today, Paul. Appreciate it. CYCC. Oh yeah, it's about to open soon, huh? 50 seconds. Oh. That's definitely a sell signal right there, though. Can't deny that. Really? 10-minute halt? Ah, dang. Didn't hold the line though. Mm.
Order filled.
Almost made it. I feel like AMD was actually the one because of the 15. And this is a super tight entry. Gonna be salty. Very salty. Yeah, I know. No takebacks.
Order filled.
I didn't even have my stop in the right spot, which let me know that I didn't want to take it because the entry was too wide. It's so easy, bro. Why did I do that? Yeah. Don't know. Yeah, wow. $10 opening bid. That's pretty nasty. The thing that'll really kill me on this is the 15, bro. I wish I'd have. At least AMD next candle, the previous candle was red on the 15. So, yeah. Yeah, and I just, bruh, I don't know. I definitely spited the 15 to take that trade. Totally. And didn't even give it room on my stop. Yeah. Mm-mm-mm. Thanks, Knives. Hmm, I don't think there's gonna be a next. Next is gonna be tomorrow. Yeah. Dang, bro. It sucks when there's just no opportunities either, man. I don't think so. I mean, this looks kind of cool. Just be like a nasty Hulk fest, though. Who shiesty has no time limit. Jumping in Kappa. Looks good to me, too. Yeah, I got you, Rob. And out. Yeah. Nah, it hasn't. Yeah, the one thing I've been trying to really consider is all the time frames. And I looked over here and I was like, wow, topping tail on the 15. I really want to get in the first, after the first red candle, like after the first pullback. Like this is, first or maybe second candle, depending on what the first candle looks like. But getting in after a topping tail on the 15 is buck wild. Buck wild. And I mean, even the candle on the 5 was ridiculous too. Just couldn't help myself. And then there's not even any good opportunities to get it back. So that really sucks. Maybe Kappa. Yeah, and that's why I stopped trading those, because I don't want to trade based on the SPY. I totally forgot about that. Just another inconsistency. Like, okay, I'm gonna get it right tomorrow. I was telling Trey. Yeah, I'm trying to give more attention to it, as far as just not taking a setup on the 5 to spike the 15, like exactly what I did on NVIDIA just now. You got a topping tail at resistance on the 15, and then I buy just underneath that after a rejection on the 5 too. It's just be like, I gotta take a trade. This is the only thing that looks close to a setup. You know, that type of deal. You still not giving up on CYCC? I mean, if you like $10 in the money, what difference does it make? Let it ride. Kappa at 121. $16 high 28. Yeah, it's terrible stop. Terrible stop.
Order filled.
Come on, Rob. You getting in this halt with me? Me and Red and Trey. Yo, we in here. We in here. There's my no trade alarm, so no more entries after this moment. It's all on you, Kappa. Oh, Eric trade CNC 5 a.m. Wow, bro. Oh man. Hey, bro, but you got your piece, man. That's all that matters. You're gonna have to wait for the halt to get that. 138 on capital. What could have been? What a treacherous place to be. I like what I'm seeing on the one, that's for sure on Kappa. I want to get to that first halt. On the five? Or are you talking about on the one? Let's see. Hmm. Yeah, I like that entry too. The only reason I wouldn't take that entry for me is just because I wanted it to hold above the high. But I ended up just taking the break over the high, basically 15-minute entry. Just right as the five makes a higher high. 12K shares, bruh. Squeeze them out, squeeze them out, squeeze them out. What you looking for? Just price action or 150? What's this high? 148? Yeah, 148 sound like a good spot too, Trey. Yeah, it's definitely thick, man. Like this the walls over here. It's like, yeah. But the higher it goes, more people will come. Hopefully, start hitting some volume of scanners and some volatility scanners. Get some more people to this party. 138 is VWAP. Level 2 looks atrocious. It looks terrible. That's why I don't like trading cheap stocks like this. The moves feel almost impossible. Appreciate it, Rob. What grade do I give this trade? A C? Easy 550. That's what's up. Mm, well, I mean, vision is 2020 after the trade, that post trade clarity. Um, the pullback on the 15 is good, but it's almost a little too steep to make me feel like it's a plus pullback. So that's kind of my main reason for not giving it the full. And then I didn't wait for the full reclaim of the EMA. I basically bought the higher high on the five or the break on the 15. Um, I think it looks really good. Actually, this looks like a good ad because this actually would have been the entry to wait for on the 5. I really want to add right here, actually. VWAP 137. Soakage. That term's always funny to me. Wow, CYCC opened down pretty massively. 1188. Oh, this is the cancer one. Okay. Man, I want to add over 37 so badly. I should have added. Nah, I'm just trying to keep the variables out though, so that's why I'm not adding right now. But I see it all the time. When I take my good entries, I see the ads really well, but I just don't know it's a good entry off the top usually. Come on, it's halt time. Hey Trey, it's looking good. Looking good. Might have to get the Oh, ha, my bad. All right, we good now? I accidentally switched to another scene without a mic. Yo, it's looking saucy. Got the halt level up to 153 now. I should have added because I entered on the 5. I entered on the 15, so my stop was wider than needed. So the ad here would have got my stop right up to where it needed to be with a nice position size. Yeah, no doubt. Need to stretch them legs on the 15, man. I need a nice wide range candle. I think we can get a nice little squeeze over this guy. 144. Not yet. Mm-mm-mm. Come on, Bugs, help us out. Help us out, Bugs. Mess around and get caught in a halt. The heck? Bruh. So this is what we're gonna see if this is just a pullback, like a retracement of the downtrend, and this is a pivot, or it keeps marching higher. And this is the beginning of the trend that I was hoping to get into. We will find. Yeah, the halt is way too close to stop. That's not cool. But let's see, man. Let's see what happens here. I was actually looking to sell at 150. Thank you very much. Now it's looking a little sketchy. I mean, it depends how it gets there, Paul. CYCC back open for you daring folks. It's a great setup now. Now it's an A setup. Like this would have been my entry on the 5. So I mean it's definitely doing everything I wanted to do. This is the candle right here that's kind of making the situation. If we break lower than if we break below this candle, I'm out, obviously, but if we break above, I think we're good to go. So all eyes on 145. Down just under 1R. Not bad. You out of this? Oh, you cut it. Oh, you don't want to get caught in the haul down. I got you. It's actually uptrending on every time frame right now. Red. It might be downtrending on like the micro. Well, now it kind of looks like a downtrend on the 1. Got a little lower high there. $131, $132. Come on, man. Hold the damn line. $35. Come on. I'm frozen. EYCC popped back up. That's a nice little narrow range entry right there. Ooh, we might be about to have some fun over here. Come on, 150. Come on, 150. 29, that's what, 21 cents? Where my calculator at? Do some math. Like that 41. Now this is an entry right here. Come on, man. Well, this candle did 1.3 million. It's coming. The volume's way up. I mean, from, it was definitely dying and it came. So we just gotta break a few levels is all. Just gotta break a few levels. 3 candles up on the 15 is nice. And this candle's kind of behaving like a pullback. But we just gotta get that 145, man. So much, like, it's so thick in here, man. Like, golly. Seeing the ask stacked, so like the whole level 2 is one price. Just 139 all the way down. Thicker than a stripper, boy. Name Snicker. Bruh, ain't no way you finna come way down here. I'm telling you, but it's like ridiculous. Like, long Nvidia, man, I just got my head knocked off on Nvidia, bro. I want some revenge too. But I need it from Kappa. Kappa gonna give it to me. I like the volume profile on the 1 a lot. And the 15's looking pretty nice. I need a haircut. Yeah, I'm feeling pretty rough. I got 1,000 subs now, man. I gotta come a little more clean, man. My bad. My bad. I'm gonna have the waves popping tomorrow. Inshallah. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Not Ian. Come on, dog. I'm saying, bro, just go up. Go that way. 133, 134 has been holding nice, but no, STG. STG is my broker. I think I got a link in the description if you want to check out their website. I also have a sign up link too if you just want to get to it. Not a fashion chat, I know. What up, Brian? Start trimming the beard. Yeah, I like the beard, but I can clean it up a bit. I just feel like I'm in grind mode with this so much that I don't care about anything but getting this right. And I still jack it up every day. On this candle, it's about to fade off. This is low 126, 125 is a stop. It is what it is. That's funny, Knives. I'm just expecting it to do more than that. Like it's like the first first pop after retaking the EMA, I'm expecting or hoping for a trend to form and, you know, start approaching previous highs. Um, but yeah, I wasn't really thinking about the you know, the big volume coming in on that candle. Now it's really pressing down. Well, it's a setup. Like it has it's not a live setup. It's you see the pattern forming, the pattern triggers. I have a place where I put my stop and a place where I anticipate taking profit. And when it works out, it works well. And when it doesn't work out, then I get stopped. Yeah, but like to me, this isn't climactic. I mean, it's just like to me, this is the trigger. Like this is igniting volume. This is the beginning. You know, this is the beginning of the move up, and this is the pullback. So, you know, if I survive this pullback, I think we'll be fine. But, you know, it's just a tough moment right now. Really didn't want to see 130 break. That sucks. Well, to use RSI. Yeah, volume's huge to me. Volume's huge. This thing ain't holding up at all. This pullback is just too much. Where's the buyers? They have left. I'm holding it because it has not hit my stop. I've already raised my stop. I'm literally down $3 right now, bro. Let's all relax. I got 300 shares. My stop is 4 cents down from my entry. You know, we're not in any extreme danger right now. Well, yeah, I got you there. But I'm not trading my last trade. I'm trading this trade. $128. So now I feel like I can move this up to 127 for real. Well, the halt level actually came up. This is my support is my stop is underneath this red candle after my entry. Um, and I actually raised it up because the halt level was at 124 at one point. And if it goes that low, I would like to get out before getting trapped in a halt. So, and I just think this is a good line in the sand underneath this 5 minute, where is it at? Yeah, underneath this low, pretty big volume candle. If it breaks below that, I'm pretty sure we're done here. Looks like we're done here already, but I don't know. Keep giving these little pops of hope. little pops of hope.
Order filled.
Yeah. Well, 1, 2. Just didn't hold. I'm looking for, there we go. Well, that the stock traded well for your scalping strategy and it didn't trade well for my trend strategy. Very clear. Very clear. Really, today I traded two things that I don't normally trade: a large float ETF and a stock under $2. Now, I don't blame the stock being under $2, but it's just like if I stayed in my wheelhouse, I wouldn't have had either of these two trades, and it would have been a no trade day. You know. You know. Hmm. But I mean, I didn't even need the top. Like, just a previous high. I don't think that's too big of. I mean, this high right here. You know, if I would have added right here, I might have been willing to sell up there. But I got in at 129, and the high was 144. I wasn't even up 1R, which I've been trying to not even calculate that. Maybe if I had this covered up like I was supposed to, I could have sold that. What up, Zay? Nah, I didn't see a way in on that one, man. I would have had to be pretty daring to get in there. It wasn't on my watch, so I just kind of ended up looking at it because everybody else was talking about it. Well, all of my entries are kind of backside on somebody's perspective, but um, yeah, it was still downtrending on the 15, honestly. That part was backside for sure. Yeah. Mm. Yeah, I know not now. I appreciate that, Eliza. I appreciate that. Red is trying to convert me into a scalper. I guess there's no legitimate trend traders in the world for me to for me to trade after. But it's my fault. I just keep taking stupid trades and giving him all the room to talk all the stuff that he talks. But anyway, I'm out of here, y'all. Ah, so sad. Are you been? All right, well, off to the gym and let's come back tomorrow and do it again, man. Learned some lessons today and reverse trend. Yeah, that's how I feel too. But we'll get it. We'll get it. Man, thanks for the support, you guys. Appreciate it, man. It's just me. It's just me. Um, every day it's me. Every day it's me. Gosh, I totally spited the 15 on this one. It's like this would have been a straight short. And Kappa kind of spotted the 15 on this one too, really. This thing probably wouldn't be into play for real until back over 143. But I mean, you get the higher low here now. But yeah, appreciate it, Rob. All right, you guys. Thanks for hanging out, man. I feel like eventually I will start scalping. Like once I see the setup trigger on the fly on the 15 and then the 5, that'll be like my license to attack on the 1. That's kind of how I see it going at some point. But more trades requires more discipline because you got more opportunity to mess up. And I mean, as you guys can see, like literally I'm working on just following my own rules that I made my own self for myself. That is literally the difficult part. But yeah. Anyway, hit the like button for me, guys. Subscribe if you haven't. Discord links in the description, and I'll catch y'all tomorrow. Peace.